Okay, I'm doing this video for a buddy of mine that's got the same Kawasaki Prairie 700. This one's an 05, and I had just installed the alarm and with the remote start. Now I use the automobile version, which is a little bit more tricky, I guess, to install. But here it goes. Here's the two-way pager remote, and it beeps.
Exclusive hard
Ignition
star
comes
dives.
on.
Between our two stores, we have thousands of choices.
Fires right up. Now you can program the amount of time that the starter turns. I've got mine at like 2.9 seconds. Then it beeps to let you know that it did start. And then on the remote here, shows a little ignition symbol on there to let you know that it's running. I did the Kenda Executioners on it. If you're looking for a rear rack, Amazon's got the new Koplin solid for 160 bucks. You can fit 2 full-size helmets in there. And there's a ton of storage all the way down the arms. I did the J-Strong stereo box, which was pricey, but it was the nicest looking one I could find. Also added the GPS on it, which I don't leave out. Got the shovel mount, just in case I need it. I did a winch and a little trick. I bought a plate from Harbor Freight for $3, welded on 2 little pieces of iron, so it cost me $5 for the hitch mount. And then to shut it off, and then it's shut off. And then I also, from a different company, added the radar sensor. So if I just stick my hand over the seat, sets it off, and then the remote tells me from 9,000 feet away that my alarm's going off.